Now, we've been talking about interests or hobbies, and I'd like to discuss with you one or two more general questions related to this. Let's consider first of all current and future hobbies.
In my country, really, gardening is very popular hobby, but it's because necessity. People usually maybe grow potato or something like this just to have a more cheap food.
Are there other popular hobbies?
Yes. Other popular hobbies, maybe reading, collecting books, because it was very difficult to find good books in recent times. So it is really, really big hobby, reading.
Why do you think reading is such a big hobby? Just because it was difficult to find books, or is there any other reason?
I think there were few entertainments in recent times also. There was no a lot of good films and a lot of some shows. So people did prefer to read good books and to entertain this way themselves.
What kinds of hobbies do you think will be popular in the future?
In the future, I think the same hobbies as in other developed countries, like maybe horse riding or some sport activity are now very popular because there are a lot of equipment, a lot of facilities now, especially in the big cities. So even how to say, yacht sailing also now popular.
Those are active hobbies that you're mentioning. Do you think that in your country that they will be particularly popular compared with things, say, like the computer?
Computer are very popular, of course, and most people play computer games and surfing in internet, but it's not very, how to say, fashionable now, maybe. So we have a lot of other possibilities to travel around country and to hunting, for example, fishing. There are a lot of places to do it here.
Right, so here we're thinking about people's leisure time, really. What's the balance between leisure and work in your country?
You see, it's when we speak about, for example, Moscow. Of course, in Moscow, people usually work long hours, really, and they overwork maybe sometimes. But on the other side, they had a lot of possibilities to a lot of entertainment. There are a lot of casinos, for example, shows, cinemas, and everything.
So, do you think the balance is about right between work and leisure, or not?
In Moscow, I think it's about right, but I'd prefer to have shorter hours, shorter work hours, because usually it considered as necessary to work for top managers or middle managers from 9 to at least 8 or 9. It's normal, and in consultancy agencies they work 12 hours, and it's of course not very well for family and for health. So
do you think this will change in the future?
I'm not sure that it will change in nearest future. I think the schedule of work will be even harder, stronger, harder, tougher.
Why?
Yeah, because there are big resources and not markets in general, not developed, so there are a lot of job to do and a lot of money to earn. So companies now in Russia in very much in a hurry to reach to how to say, to develop very fast. So most companies now developing maybe twice or 3 times a year, so it's no time to relax, absolutely.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of the speaking test.
Thank you.